Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. I've been sitting here trying to get the courage and energy to film this video. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I haven't had coffee today and I only had a matcha latte, but I'm feeling very tired today, even though I slept in, but yeah, so I've been trying to get the energy to film this video, but I am finally ready and I'm so excited for this week's new releases. We have 3 new kits coming to the shop. 2 of them are actually a reformat from last year, the sunflower and the daisy kit, but we also have journaling kits now, which is super exciting. And then we have this lovely September weekly kit, which matches with our September monthly kit, which I just realized I need to go grab it, so I will be right back to share with you what the monthly kit looks like. Okay, I'm back with the monthly kit as well as the matching deco, and I have a lot of questions about our monthly kits and whether or not we should continue making them. So I feel like not as many people plan their monthly spreads anymore, and we get our monthly kits manufactured out of house, so we don't make them ourselves. We still design them, but yeah, we don't make these in-house. We haven't made monthly kits in-house for over a year now. We are in the process of figuring out if we want to even release monthly kits for next year. So definitely let us know your thoughts on the A5 wide monthly kits. So since these are made out of house, the sticker paper is different from our usual unicorn paper. This is more of like a regular matte texture. We chose it because it's easy to write on. The other option was a luxe premium matte, which was actually cheaper in price, but we decided to go with the plain matte paper just because it's easier to write on. The luxe premium matte paper that we get when manufacturing stickers is honestly really nice sticker paper, but the only pen that we find works on that paper is the Sakura microperms. So that's why we've been choosing a plain matte sticker paper for our monthly kits. But again, we're not even sure if we want to continue making monthly kits for next year. We might do something else. Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. But yeah, if you are interested in picking this up to match with the weekly kit, this is what the September monthly kit looks like. It's 3 pages, has a lot of functional stickers, and then there's also date dots, these fun little boxes, deco, and it comes with this clear glossy sticker paper that has a lot of icons and little scripts, and you can choose your own Sunday or Monday start. So that is our September monthly kit. If you don't want to grab the monthly kit, we also sell the deco separately. Again, it is on the regular matte sticker paper. Since these are made out of house, just a little heads up, so the paper is different from the weekly kit sticker paper, which this is our weatherproof premium matte that we use for our weekly kits, made in-house. So here, I guess I'll just start with the journaling kit. I feel like I need to change the lighting a bit. Okay, I fixed the lighting a little bit. Hopefully it's not too dark, but here are our journaling kits. It's 2 pages and it's available in our buttery premium matte sticker paper. We have had a couple of requests to offer it in the transparent matte sticker paper, but we have not ventured into doing that yet for our in-house journaling kits. So maybe in the future we might add that as an option, but for now we are happy with our buttery premium matte sticker paper. So that is what our journaling kit looks like. Oh, and we did get asked last time if the washi fits the Hobonichi cousin, and it does. I formatted it to fit perfectly in there, so if you were curious about the sizing of these washies. So let's get into the weekly kit for September. This is what it looks like. It's in rose gold foiling to match with the monthly kit. For some reason, when I think of September, I just think of the color purple. Maybe because it's like a transitional color from summer to fall, but it's really gorgeous and I love the oranges in this kit. It's very light and peachy. So here are the headers and the bottom washi. So this set of headers is floral. Then we have some really gorgeous lace trim headers. And then this one is just a classic confetti. We have the bottom washi, which I wanted to keep pretty simple. And then also some scallop headers in this column. Next is the boxes page. And it's pretty self-explanatory of all different sizes. And then you have some unique scalloped half boxes at the bottom. And then the last page has your date covers, some watercolor swatches. You also have your sidebar stickers. And then we have some layering stickers, a couple of checklists, and these cute little circular scallops. So super cute. That is September. Moving on to a couple of the reformatted kits. So we actually are having some matching $2 Tuesday collections coming up. Side note, next week is actually going to be a $2 Tuesday rewind. So if you wanted to get any stickers from our previous $2 Tuesday collections, they will be available next week. We're gonna be bringing back collections like Tropical, the Pride one, Graduation, Butterfly, Honeybee. I think that's it off the top of my head. Oh, we're also bringing back our $2 journaling kits as well as the matching $2 floral deco. So yes, lots of things coming back for $2 Tuesday Rewind, so stay tuned for next Tuesday. But we will be doing a Daisy $2 Tuesday sometime either at the end of the month or beginning of July. Here is the deco sheet. It's a little quarter sheet, has all of the matching deco from the kit. And then the journaling kit is a little bit different from the weekly kit. So the journaling kit features more of a watercolor daisy clip art, as you can see here. And then this one is less watercolor. It is a little bit different, but the color palettes are still the exact same. So let's start with the journaling kit. Here is what the first page looks like. My favorite is always the little wax seals, faux wax seals. I think they're so cute. And of course the Polaroid, adorable. Then we have the second page. We have your days of the week, washi strips, and a lot of fun stickers. Perfect for journaling. So that is Daisy. And then here we have the foiled weekly kit. In case you didn't see the last video, we did discontinue our B6 kits, and it seems like it was the right thing to do. A lot of you guys love our journaling kits, so thank you to everyone who picked up some journaling kits. So here is Daisy. I did reformat it a little bit from last year's Daisy kit. Yeah, moved some boxes around, changed some colors. So that is what the full box looks like. I did change the backgrounds so that they are watercolor. It's kind of hard to tell on camera, but I believe last year they were solid colors and now they are watercolor this year. Here we have the headers. Oh, I forgot to mention that this kit is in light gold foil, so a little bit different from our classic gold foil. Here's a little comparison of what light gold foil looks like with our classic gold foil. As you can see, it's just a little bit less yellow. So this is the light golds, and then next to the regular golds. I think it matches perfectly with this kit since the colors are so light and pastel. Here's the boxes page. These are watercolor up here. And then we have the date covers, sidebar stickers, watercolor swatches, got our layering stickers, and the scallop circles. I absolutely love these little daisy flags, so cute. So that is Daisy. And then moving on to the last kit, I realized I don't have the journaling kit with me for Sunflower, but we do have a journaling kit that uses these sunflowers. I don't know where I put it. I must have misplaced it, and here is what the deco sheet looks like. Lots of sunflowers. This is perfect for August, I want to say. I believe sunflower season is typically August, September, so perfect time to stock up on some sunflowers so you're ready for that time. And then here we have the full boxes. Again, this is pretty similar to last year's. I did reformat it slightly again. I changed all the backgrounds so that they are watercolor, and it kind of just blends better with the clip art. So that is sunflower, and I also changed the colors a bit. Very subtly, but yes, they are a little bit different from last year. I think it's a little bit lighter compared to last year. Last year was a lot brighter. So here we have the headers. Wanted to keep things really simple. And then I love the bottom washi on this one. As you can see, there are little hanging butterflies off of these garlands. Super pretty. Matches with the butterflies in the full boxes. So that is the bottom washi. And then we have our boxes page. I wish I had formatted the kit where you can actually see the outline of some of these boxes, since this one is an arch but it looks like a square on camera. I did that mainly for cutting purposes, but yeah, I feel like it does make the kit look less interesting, but some of these boxes are arches, which I think is pretty unique. Here is the last page. We have our date covers, watercolor swatches, you have your sidebar stickers, layering stickers, and then of course the cute little scallop circles. So that is Sunflower. So those are all of the new releases that I have for you this week. These are going to be 20% off this entire weekend through Sunday, so definitely if you are eyeing anything, grab them while they're on sale. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment letting me know your thoughts on the monthly kit situation, and also which kit is your favorite out of the three. I think my favorite is probably the sunflower one. I really wish I had the journaling kit to share with you what that looks like, but I'm really excited to use it in my planners, so hopefully I can get some pics to share with you on Instagram. Otherwise, I will see you in our next video. Bye!